Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel in Carfection. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most hyped hypercars of the year, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto. This thing is an insane combo of Italian craftsmanship and next-level tech. So, buckle up, because you're in for a wild ride. First off, we have to talk about the design. You can't miss it. The 2025 Revuelto looks like it's been sculpted by the wind itself. Every angle, every curve serves a purpose. From the aggressive front splitter to the active rear wing. It's not just about looking fast, it's about being fast. Lamborghinis nailed their iconic design again with those sharp Y-shaped headlights and that low, wide stance that just demands attention. And let me tell you, this car is covered in carbon fiber. From the body panels to the interior trims, it's all about keeping things light and boosting performance. And check out these air intakes. With Lamborghini's active aerodynamics, the Revuelto adjusts to every curve and corner, giving you the perfect blend of speed and control. Now, let's get to the heart of the beast. Right behind the seats is where the magic happens. We've got a 6.5-liter V12 hybrid engine. Yep, you heard that right, a V12 hybrid. This thing cranks out over 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production cars Lamborghini has ever built. 0-60 in under 2.5 seconds, and trust me, you feel every bit of that power. The hybrid system isn't just for efficiency, it delivers instant torque and jaw-dropping acceleration. Plus, those electric motors up front give it all-wheel drive, which means handling is next level. Now, stepping inside, it's like jumping into the cockpit of a fighter jet. The interior is just as futuristic as the performance. You're surrounded by this sleek, fully digital dashboard. Everything is designed around the driver, from the digital instrument cluster to the touch-sensitive controls on the steering wheel. And of course, it's packed with tech. The infotainment system is fully customizable and connects seamlessly to your devices. Lamborghini's made sure every drive feels like an adventure, whether you're tearing up the track or cruising around town. So, how does it drive? In a word, exhilarating. The hybrid system gives you the best of both worlds, the roar of that V12 when you want it, and the quiet, smooth efficiency of electric drive when you need it. And with Lamborghini's driving modes, you can go from full-on performance mode to eco-friendly cruising with just the push of a button. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto is a glimpse into the future of supercars, sustainable, powerful, and dripping with style. It's got everything we love about Lamborghini, but with a futuristic twist. So, what do you think? Is this the future of hypercars? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive supercar content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.